3313 Mastercraft. Remove satellite dish. We have some really nice desert landscaping that has some greenery, but it's pretty low maintenance. We always do a landscape cleanup though. I couldn't get into the backyard. The screen door just, I cannot get it open. Front door actually looks okay. We'll need to change out the locks and paint if necessary. I think we should remove these, but that's up to the property manager. I think most work has been done in this property. All new 2.5-inch faux wood blinds need to be installed. But the paint is a really beautiful cement, tannish, neutral color, just really fantastic. And we have raised panel doors, and a lot of them are passage, non-locking handles, so that's fantastic. This side of the house does get sun, so it's unfortunate that there's no patio cover. However, I'd like to point out that these two trees will efficiently offer a lot of shade in the early afternoon and evening. Of course, depending on the time of year, but the sun's about to go behind that tree right now. Property manager will tell us if we need to extend the patio, because it seems like it's about 6 feet from here to there. I may be wrong, I'm just eyeballing it, but it's not very deep. So we may want to get something installed. Maybe replace this light fixture as well. We need a microwave, maybe a space saver microwave and a fridge. We already have a white stove, so we want to get rid of it and get all stainless steel, as well as the dishwasher, or keep it all white since we already have 2 pieces in here. Its chlorine counters look pretty good. We need to remove cables throughout as necessary. Doesn't look like they're actually hooked up, so that's fine. Honeywell thermostats. And then moving into this room, it's a really pretty laminate. It has a little bit of the wood grain elements to it, so it looks really nice. Older style fan, nothing special, but at least it's there and it seems to be functioning. Again, raised panel doors. Get a blind in here as well. The faucets are a little dated, but they match. So I don't think, I'm not sure if you want to spend the money on that now. That's a property manager call. Nice size closet with the laminate flooring carried into there, so that's nice. These cabinets look pretty good. Tile. Again, dated faucets. 1-piece tub, so no grouting is necessary. Maybe replace this electrical outlet. There's no light in this room, but the paint looks good from what I can tell, as does the flooring. Of course, get the appropriate blind in there. We need closet door guides in all the closets. This does not lock. Exactly the same situation in this room. Need closet door guides, does not lock. Pantry, linen closet does not lock. Get a blind, get closet door guides. It's not the best paint job, but it's pretty good. Like this wall, I'm looking across and it looks like there's some changes in sheen, but we're super minor. And this is standard. We have some extra storage, earthquake straps, and a pan on the water heater. So nothing unusual in there. That's pretty much it.